Hello and welcome to Go Google. Today I am going to talk about how to download Selenium WebDriver and other required components to set up your own testing environment. Let's head over to the official Selenium developer website. Here we'll head over to the download section and download the language specific WebDriver and client. I am selecting Java because this tutorial is going to be in Java. While we are at it, let's download the browser specific WebDriver. I'm going to download the Chrome driver. This is the official stable release of Chrome driver, and I'm going to download Win32 version because I have a Windows machine. Chrome driver is useful for automating Chrome. From the Oracle website, we can download the Java development kit, that is JDK. Again, I'm downloading the 64-bit installer for Windows. Like a responsible person, please read and accept the terms and conditions and then click accept. I'm not going to download JDK because I already have it. Next, I'm going to head over to the eclipse.org website. From there, we'll download Eclipse latest release. Please select the mirror closest to you, as this will greatly affect the download speed. Then click on download. Again, I'm not going to download it because I already have it installed. Go and open command prompt and type Java and hit enter. If you have Java installed and configured correctly, you will get such output. Let's set up the project. Next, create a new Java project. Give it a meaningful name, at least more meaningful than I gave. And then right click and click on properties. Now we are going to head over to the Java build path section to add our external jars and libraries in the class path. We have to extract the zips we just downloaded from Selenium. Here I am going to select the jar files. We even have to select the jar files that are in the libs folder. Next, we'll add JUnit library to our class path. Select JUnit and select the latest release of JUnit. I selected 5 because it was the latest release. Click on apply and close. Now let's create a new class. In SRC folder, click right and select new class. I am going to name it open website, as this class is going to open the website for us, and I am going to check on the public static void main option. Now this is the line that tells Java where the WebDriver is. In our case, the Chrome WebDriver or Chrome driver. In the next argument, we have to type the location of the Chrome driver. So let's copy that location and paste it here. Now let's create a new instance for WebDriver. As you can notice, there are red underlines. That means there are some errors in that line. It is because we have not imported the libraries. Just right click and click on import. Driver.get opens the web browser and opens the URL specified in the argument. I'm going to type gogoogle.com. Driver.manage.window dot maximizes the browser window. There are many things you can do with the driver.manage command. For now, let's stick to maximizing the browser window. Let's go ahead and run this. As you can see, there is some console output and gogoogle.com website just popped open in the web browser and Chrome window maximized. That means our code works. Now let's test the JUnit. Create a new class. As you can see, there is no main function here and JUnit will run just fine with it. JUnit does not require the public static void main function or method. Let's run it as JUnit test. Okay, the test was success. The green line indicates the tests were successful. Test 1 and test 2 execution time was 0.00 seconds. This was a small test. Here we are testing the add method I wrote. On the line number 22 you can see we are passing int x and int y and returning the addition of int x and y. Next I am writing the test case, public void test, and there I am adding two numbers. As you can see, 10 plus 3 is not equals to 15, so this test should fail. And 10 plus 5, so the second test should pass. As you can see in the console output, the first test failed and the second passed. That is the correct output.